The first step in making our chicken fried turkey is to get turkey cutlets. Couldn't find them, but I got these big old honkin' turkey tenderloins, so I'm going to cut them in half. Very gently with a super sharp knife. Bam! Look at that. Same with this. I shall cut it in half. Next thing we're going to do is tenderize these bad boys a little bit. So I'm just going to lay plastic over it. I like using gallon Ziploc bags for this because it keeps it from splattering all over the place. Now let's season these puppies up. What goes better with poultry than good old Lowry's? So we're going to put that on there. Then some sage. It's a very Thanksgiving-y herb to use. And of course, good old pinch of salt never hurts nothing. Last but not least, onion powder. So I'm going to flip these and I'm going to season up the other side. I'll catch you when I'm done. And since we want these so tender, we are going to soak them good old-fashioned buttermilk. Buttermilk just makes them taste so good. So we're going to pour some in our container here. Lay these seasoned up goodies in here. Alright. And we'll pour some more on top. And we're going to repeat it with the other two. This buttermilk's going to make them so tender. And it's going to make the dry flour mixture just stick to them so good. I'm going to marinate these for a couple hours at least. 2 to 3 hours. So I'll see you when it's time to... Okay, so I got seasoned flour right here, and I got the turkey out of the buttermilk, dousing it in flour, and in we go. Now, if you remember, these were a lot bigger when I put them in here, so I cut them in half. See you when they're done. So I like to, after they're done frying, put them on a rack. That'll help drain. And then I also stick them in a warm oven. What I do there is I preheat the oven to 350 degrees. And once it reaches temperature, I put those in and turn it off. While I make the rest of the stuff. Like tonight, it's mashed potatoes and gravy. I will see you when we plate this baby up. Let's cut into this, shall we? We shall. Look at that. Look at that. Cooked. Put little taters, little gravy. You're gonna like this. If you do, thumbs up, please. See you next time.